In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Microsoft Project. Dashboards give you a clear visual snapshot of your project's health so you can quickly communicate progress, costs, workload, and performance without digging through every task line. We'll keep it simple and use the built-in tools that come with Microsoft Project. Start by opening your project so the data you'll see on the dashboard reflects the actual tasks, resources, and dates you're managing. If your plan isn't up to date, take a moment to refresh key details like task progress, start and finish dates, and resource assignments. The accuracy of your dashboards depends on the accuracy of your schedule. Next, go to the report area. On the ribbon across the top, click the Report tab. This is the command center for all reporting features in Microsoft Project. From here, choose Dashboards. You'll immediately see a gallery of built-in dashboard templates designed to answer common status questions in a clean, visual format. You'll find options such as Project Overview, Cost Overview, Work Overview, and Earned Value. The Project Overview dashboard is perfect for a general status update. It typically shows key metrics like percent complete, upcoming milestones, late tasks, and a timeline-style view of where you are versus where you should be. Use this when you need a fast, executive-friendly snapshot. Cost Overview focuses on your budget. It compares planned versus actual costs and can highlight where spending is tracking ahead of or behind plan. This is particularly useful ahead of stakeholder reviews or when you're watching burn rates closely. Work Overview helps you understand how effort is spread across your team and time. You'll see planned work, remaining work, and who may be over or under allocated. It's a straightforward way to spot bottlenecks and rebalance assignments before issues turn into delays. Earned Value provides performance analytics that combine scope, schedule, and cost. You'll see measures like planned value, earned value, and actual cost, along with indexes that show whether you're gaining or losing efficiency. If you've set a project baseline, this dashboard becomes especially insightful. Without a baseline, some earned value metrics may appear incomplete. As you browse these dashboards, remember that they're driven by your existing project data. If something looks off, update the underlying tasks or resource entries, and the visuals will refresh to match. Many dashboards also include simple filters or date ranges to help you focus on the period or details that matter most. That's all it takes to create and use dashboards in Microsoft Project. Open your project. Go to the Report tab, choose Dashboards, and pick the template that answers your question. With these built-in views, you can turn complex plans into clear, actionable insights in seconds.